Hello, welcome to CS tutorial. Today I am going to talk about the primitive analysis of the algorithm data structure. So what is data structure? Data structure is a systematic way of organizing and accessing data. Algorithm are the step-by-step procedures for performing the task in the finite amount of time. You might be thinking, why is there a need to do the analysis of the algorithm? It is too much necessary to do the analysis of the algorithm to check the efficiency of the algorithm. The analysis is done on the two factors, that is the runtime of the algorithm and the second one is the space that is required for the algorithm. There are two types of analysis of the algorithm. One is experimental analysis that is done on the finite amount of data, and the second one is theoretical analysis that is done on all possible inputs. In this video tutorial, we would be discussing about the permittive operations in all the possible inputs. Here are some of the rules that are to be considered while counting the permittive operations of the algorithm. The first rule is assigning a value to a variable. Int x is equals to 5. If you are assigning a value 5 to a variable x, then it is counted as a one permittive operator. Calling a method is a second rule in which the permittive operator is counted as 1. Performing an arithmetic operation, for example adding two numbers, subtracting two numbers, multiplying or dividing two numbers, is counted as one permittive operator. If there is a statement saying that sum equals to I plus jm divided by k multiplied by l, like two or three operations are to be done on the same line, but the permittive operator count should be 1 no matter how many operations are done, and the second operation would be counted as if we are assigning the answer to any variable sum. The next rule is comparing two numbers, and the permittive operator of this is also counted as 1. Indexing into an array is also counted as 1, and returning from a method is also counted as 1. To show you here the to calculate the time complexity of the algorithm, I have taken a for loop which is here displayed on the screen, which is saying that for int I equals to 0, I is less than n, I plus plus, and the loop body says sum plus equals to I. Sum is any variable declared outside the for loop which is not part of our discussion. I have calculated the time complexity of the for loop. Uh, for example, int I equals to 0 is counted as one primitive operator. I is less than n, and I plus plus. This increment instructions would be counted after when the whole for loop has been executed. Now the counting of the primitive operator, in the first line int I equals to 0 is to be counted as 1, and I is less than n. It means that the for loop is checking inside the for loop for 1 plus n times, but running n times. To show this, I have coded a sample program. Here is a sample program. I have taken the size of n equals to 5, and here is the same for loop that has been shown to you previously. Now I am running this program, and it shows that the for loop has checked 6 times but has executed 5 times, as we have given the size n 5. Now coming back to that example, the for loop has been checked 1 plus n times, means in the example the size of n was 5, so it checked 6 times, but the loop was executed 5 times. So 1 plus n times it will check the loop, and it will run the loop n times. And then sum plus equals to I is also known as sum is equal to sum plus I. Sum plus I gives the operator 1. Assigning to the value sum gives the operator 1. I is equal to I plus 1. I plus 1 gives the operator 1, and assigning the value to the I gives the value 1. Now there is a simple calculation: 2 plus n plus 4n and then 5n plus 2. So the total time complexity of the algorithm is 5n plus 2. This was the simplest for loop to calculate the time complexity of the algorithm. How to calculate the time complexity of this nested for loop? The for loop says that int I equals to 0, I is less than n, I plus plus. And the second for loop says that int j equals to 0, j is less than n square, j plus plus. The loop body says that sum plus equals to I plus j, which is illustrated as sum equals to sum plus I plus j. I have calculated the time complexity of this for loop. So int I equals to 0 is counted as one operator, then I is less than n, it means that the for loop is checking 1 plus n times but executing n times. So now getting inside the second for loop are curly braces over here, first counting the I plus plus increment operator as 2 primitive operator, and in j equals to 0 as 1 operator. J is less than n square is same as j, I is less than n, that it is checking 1 plus n square times but executing n square times, which is shown over here. Then in getting the inside of the second for loop by curly braces over here, first incrementing, first adding, first counting the primitive operator of sum plus equals to I plus j as 2, and then counting the j plus plus primitive operator as 2. Now calculating the above expression, 2 plus n square, then 4 plus n square plus 4, n square multiplied by 4, and 2 plus n, then multiplying it by 4 plus n square plus 4n square, adding 4n square plus n square is 5n square, and multiplying by an n, so it gives us 5n cube. 4 by multiplying 4 by n give us 4n, then adding n gives us 5n and plus 2. So the total time complexity of this for loop is 5n cube plus 5n plus 2. In my further video tutorials, I will tell you to calculate the time complexity of the for loops having more than one variable. If you like my video, so please like and subscribe to my channel.